The moon is our closest neighbor. We gaze at it every night. We've sent astronauts there. Yet even today, it hides a mystery that science cannot explain. We're talking about the mysterious flashes on the moon, observed for more than 4 centuries. Scientists call them TLP, transient lunar phenomena. These are short but bright lights, misty clouds, and colorful glows that appear on the surface and disappear just as quickly. The first mentions date back to the 17th century. Astronomers saw sudden flashes above craters, sometimes red, sometimes blue. In the 19th century, the number of observations increased. Independent witnesses reported seeing flashes at the same time on different continents, most often near the Aristarchus crater. What was it? An optical illusion? Gas emissions? Or something else? In the 1960s, as the world prepared for the space race, NASA began collecting reports of lunar flashes. Within a few years, they had recorded over 700 cases. Again, most were near the Aristarchus crater. In 1968, a Soviet expedition reported a strange glow that lasted more than 10 minutes. At the same time, American astronomers observed a similar phenomenon. Coincidence? Or proof that it was real? NASA even had a special group to monitor TLP. Their data was rarely published. Some archives remained classified for years. Why? One version suggests the flashes could have been dangerous for the Apollo astronauts. If the moon wasn't dead, but emitted gases or energy, it might have threatened the missions. One scientific explanation: lunar flashes are gas emissions. Although officially the moon has been dead for over 1 billion years, some Apollo mission data showed trapped gases in the soil. Sometimes they escape, creating glows. Several Apollo crews even reported seeing strange lights with the naked eye. Sensors also recorded radon emissions. This could explain some TLP. But why do some events last minutes or even hours? Why are some flashes colored? And here begins the mystery. Some witnesses said the glows looked as if something was moving on the surface, as if the moon wasn't just releasing gas, but sending a signal. Another popular hypothesis: meteorite impacts. Tiny rocks constantly fall onto the moon. On impact, they create a bright flash. NASA's modern cameras confirm this. But there's a problem. Impact flashes last fractions of a second. TLP can last minutes or longer. In 2009, a NASA probe recorded a major event, an impact that caused a glow visible from Earth. Yet similar glows were seen in places where no impacts occurred. Eyewitnesses said the light seemed alive, expanding and moving. Skeptics are convinced TLP are optical illusions. Earth's atmosphere distorts light, creating phantoms on the lunar disk. But then how do we explain that observatories in different countries recorded the same events at the same time? In the 1970s, even orbital radars detected glowing near the Aristarchus crater. The atmosphere had nothing to do with it. And again, the question arises: if it's not an illusion, then what is it? Today, astronomers still observe mysterious flashes. Cameras, computers, satellites, everything confirms the phenomenon is real. Theories vary. Gas emissions, electrical discharges on the surface, meteorite impacts, even secret weapon experiments. But the most mystical hypothesis is this: they are signals, attempts at communication, whether from a moon itself or from something deeper. We're used to thinking of the moon as a dead body, a cold rock in the sky. But perhaps it is alive, and simply waiting for the moment to reveal its true nature.